I got that part. Our dad wasn't drunk.
No, because he never had the shakes.
There was so many
He did.
I never seen Dad drink.
No.
You know.
He did.
He couldn't afford it.
No, he never drank like that.
He did.
I would never call my dad an alcoholic.
No.
Hey.
He was a boozer.
Now I would, Uncle Steve, I would.
Yeah.
And that's the
Where's
only time he
Austin?
really drank a lot.
Oh my gosh, there he is.
Mom clipping his eyebrows. They were so long, they were hanging his eyeballs. And I remember her. Seriously, she's like, come like this one. Hey. His eyebrows like that.
That was funny.
That was hilarious.
Move.
You gonna go again?
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna get in trouble.
Thank you. Right. Hello.
Bye.
Oh, let's do our handshake. Ready?
I just took it off.
Do it again.
No, you gotta do it with me. 1, 2, 3.
Do it again.
Are we gonna do it really this time?
Yep, you
Promise?
do too.
1, 2, 3.
God, where's this?